Period. This is because apparently y'all gonna get drunk. Period. What's up? Send me.
Coming, I heard it.
Come on, Dane. We're all you said. Dane, we'll be like this right now. It's like one snack. Ambrose, right now. Stop! 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 What? This is stop! Stop! 7, 1, 2, 3. Ding ding ding.
My mommy saying and me, my area. Naomi and yeah, she don't got to. She just went outside. They didn't even eat these noodles. Well, they only ate. They only ate noodles. Yeah, me and the crackhead.
I did, yeah.